beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I greet you all according to your time. Guys, I'm back again like I never left. It has been a long time we have not seen. Yeah, today I decided to show you guys how I make this beautiful braided hair using expression. Guys, I have done something similar like this before, so if you go down to my channel, you're going to find the video there. In case if you are wondering why mine not started from the beginning, or why have the video not that straight, so I don't really know how to put it. So I have done something like this before, so if you want to know how I start from the beginning and all, just go down to my channel. You will find same video there. The difference is that this one is more longer than the other one. The other one was short. This one is a little bit longer than the other one. That is the reason I did not start from the back. So it's very easy. The attachment is already drawn. I have already straightened the attachment before I start. So guys, that is that. To achieve this hair, guys, I think just buy it 2 packets of attachment and you are good to go. It's not that difficult, it's not that expensive. So guys, this is if this is your first time of coming across my video, please do not just watch and walk away. Sorry guys, and walk away like that. Please support me by subscribing and also press that notification bell so that you will receive my notification anytime I upload a new video. See, if you're a YouTuber, watch and leave your comment down below. From there, I am going to trace your channel and I will subscribe to you. I will also follow you up. That is the way, that is how we should support each other. You know, let's support each other. Subscribe to my channel and I will follow you up with your comments. Okay guys, so for my old returnees, thank you so much for keep coming to watch my video. Please do not be tired of watching my video. Please watch my video, watch and share with your friends. Let's learn something together. Let us learn together. In this channel we are doing a different type of hair with expression. As you can see, all my hair is made from expression, most of it expression. We are using expression to create different type of wig, so that is what we do in this channel. So if you have any idea, if you have the wig style that you want me to make, any hairstyle that you want me to make, just leave your comment down below. I will go for it. I will make the hairstyle. I will try my best to give you guys the best. So guys, we have that is all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.